Now more than ever, people expect more from food and beverage vendors. Consumers and businesses want to be confident that their products are safe. They want transparency from farm to fork. So food and beverage businesses need to track each stage of their supply chain production and distribution. Not having full visibility could cause reputational risk. Traceability is key for customers to be sure that they are buying from a trusted supplier. That's where Sage X3 can help. Sage X3 is a powerful solution that monitors your supply chain and production and distribution processes for you. Trace the source of your products and their journey from A to B. It helps you with quality control and things like allergen tracking. All test results are recorded and maintained together with production history. You can then manage exceptions with the automated workflow and alerts. The dynamic display dashboards show all the information you need in a single view, so you can make confident decisions using precise, real-time information. Rest assured that you're covered with complete traceability. Sage can help you provide a reliable and trusted service.